Hello, how's it going? In PHP 8.2, the useful string interpolation has been deprecated, means $sign and bracket and variable inside the bracket in a string. Let's see what's happened and fix a little bit code on code review pals. As you can see in PHP update documentation, in the I think the end of the file, you can see deprecate this little baby, and we must fix our code also. I watch this when I'm working on code review pals, and we have something here. We have two alternatives for this deprecation. First things, but not good things, is that use just remove the brackets and it works. But better way is that using a sprintf. By a sprintf, you can sum and you can format your string and use some variable inside the string. It's very useful and very better. For this text, we must have a string slash a string, and how to build that, we only need to pass this method here. I will put the sprintf documentation in the description link, and also there is a PHP document here, and I will put this link also in the description. You can check this out. This is a way that you can handle your variable inside the string, and some examples and more information. So nice to see you. Let me be in here. Nice to see you, and please hit the subscribe and like button. If you enjoyed this video, also check the code review pals. We are working on a open source and voluntary community-based project. Help other people's and get help from others. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.